So we have this data in Excel sheet in which we have to auto sum units of different materials. For example, rice 10 kg plus mushroom 15 kg. If you want to auto sum it, obviously it will not work because there is a unit in front of the number. So how can we do it with the help of formula? It is very easy and simple. First we have to select the units. After selecting the units, then we have to press Ctrl plus 1. Once we press Ctrl plus 1, then we have to go to the general option. After clicking on general, we have to come to the custom option. And once we come to the custom options, here in front of general, we have to write apostrophe, then kg, then apostrophe. As you can see, I am writing here kg, apostrophe, kg, then apostrophe, and then press OK. And once you press OK, then automatically this formula will be implemented. Now if we write a number along with the unit kg, then it will be automatically auto summed, and all the numbers along with unit will be added to the grand total of this column. So it is very easy and simple. Thank you so much for your time. If you did learn something from this video, please give us a like. Have a nice day.